viewers, welcome to my channel Kids Education. My channel is related to the study methods of KG class. Here you will find lots of videos related to rhymes, stories, alphabets, counting, morning assembly as well as good habits. Today I will teach proper formation of alphabets A to Z. So let's start with me A to Z. Now start with me slanting line, and slipping line to make the alphabet A. Standing line, half around, then again half around, big half around to make the alphabet B. Half around to make the alphabet C, or we can say that curve to make the alphabet C. Now standing line and half around to make the alphabet D. Now it's time to E. Standing line, big slipping line, small slipping line, again big slipping line to make the alphabet E. Now standing line, big slipping line, small slipping line to make the alphabet F. Now half around, go up and down and slipping line to make the alphabet G. Now H, standing line, slipping line, and again standing line to make the alphabet H. Now slipping line and down and again slipping line to make the alphabet I. Now slipping line, standing line and turn to make the alphabet J. Now K, standing line, slanting line, now again slanting line from this side, not from this side, we will make slanting line from this side. K, now standing line and slipping line to make the alphabet L. Now M, standing line and slanting line go down and again slanting line go up and down to make the alphabet M. Now standing line, slanting line go down and go up, standing line to make the alphabet N. Now all the way round and big fatty round to make the alphabet O. Now standing line and half around to make the alphabet P. Now all the way round, big fatty round and slanting line to make the alphabet Q. Now it's time to R. Standing line, half around and slanting line from this side, not from this side, to make the alphabet R. Now half around and again half around to make the alphabet S. Now slipping line and standing line to make the alphabet T. Now standing line and turn and go up to make the alphabet U. Now slanting line and go up in a slanting way to make the alphabet V. Now slanting line go down and again slanting line go down, again slanting line go down and up to make the alphabet W. Now slanting line and again slanting line to make the alphabet X. Now slanting line, small slanting line and big slanting line to make the alphabet Y. Now slipping line and slanting line go down and again slipping line to make the alphabet Z. I hope guys you like this formation of A to Z. If you like this formation, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.